Do you adore the written word? Can you craft a persuasive argument and convey a story with a flick of your pen? Well, you may be the perfect fit for a career in copywriting. Keep watching to find out more. What is copywriting? Put simply, copywriting is the art of persuasion using words. That means what a copywriter does is cleverly crafts words to encourage, convince, and persuade the people that read them to take action. Contrary to popular opinion, the action doesn't always have to be buying a product though. Sometimes it can be opening an email or SMS, completing a survey, or even getting people to enter their details in a contact form. It's also very often getting people to click through to an organization website from search engine results. It's this ability to get people to take action based on their words that make copywriters one of the most critical parts of the marketing process. In fact, if there's marketing to be done, you'll always find a copywriter involved somewhere along the line. Types of copy. Many people believe they have a fixed idea of what copy is in their minds. They think of it as writing ads and crafting flyers in print, intending to increase sales for a business. But if you choose this rewarding career, this type of advertising copy is only one of the many areas in which you may be expected to work your magic. Of course, another prominent area where your skills will be tested is in the online realm. Indeed, while print marketing is certainly not dead, its online counterpart has many advantages. Something that means you'll likely see your words on screen more than any other platform. Part of the online work copywriters do is known as SEO, or search engine optimization copywriting, otherwise known as content writing. This is where you'll often find the longer form pieces designed to host keywords that help companies boost their rankings online. This content is by no means only a vehicle for keywords. It's also devised to provide excitement, information, and entertainment, with such material offering real value to those who consume it, while also engaging those belonging to the demographic you're looking to attract. Read. Yep, that's right. Good writers don't only put pen to paper. They make plenty of time for reading as well. You can't read everything on copywriting there is. There's not enough time. You also don't have to read everything that's ever been written on copywriting before you begin. Instead, your primary goal here is to get a robust foundation on which to build. With that in mind, you may want to cast your eyes across some of the following resources. Blogs like Content Marketing Institute and Convince and Convert, as well as books like Confessions of an Advertising Man by David Ogilvy and The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert W. Bly. Copywriting Courses. Once you've started to lay a good foundation with reading, you can begin to consider some type of formal education and practice in copywriting. Returning to school full-time can impact other things such as family responsibilities or your ability to maintain your lifestyle. That's why many people choose to hone their copy skills with a short live course or an online program instead. It's best to look for courses that are taught by industry pros. For instance, some programs will only go through the basic concepts with you. In contrast, courses like the ones offered at the San Francisco School of Copywriting, SFSC, empower you to be a confident copywriter. A copywriter can hit the ground running and begin working on their career immediately. For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.